Have you ever wondered how climate change affects your garden? Well, it's a reality we can't ignore. Erratic weather patterns can disrupt plant growth, while increased pests and diseases pose a serious threat to your blooms. Even our growing seasons are shifting, causing confusion for both plants and gardeners alike. Yet, there's no need to hang up your gardening gloves just yet. But don't worry, with the right strategies, you can still have a thriving garden. So how can you adapt your gardening practices to these changes? There are several practical steps to take. First, select resilient plants. Opt for species that are native to your location, or those that are proven to withstand changing weather conditions. These plants tend to be more tolerant of heat, drought, or heavy rainfall, making them a smart choice for your garden. Next, let's talk about water. With unpredictable rainfall patterns, water-efficient methods are essential. Consider installing drip irrigation systems or collecting rainwater for your garden use. These practices can help you save water and ensure your plants stay hydrated, no matter the weather. Improving soil health is another crucial step. Healthy soil retains more water and nutrients, supporting your plants through tough conditions. You can enhance your garden's soil by adding organic matter or compost, which enriches the soil and boosts its resilience. Lastly, observing and adjusting to local climate conditions is paramount. Your garden is unique, and so is its microclimate. Remember, adaptability is key in gardening, especially in a changing climate. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. Unleash your green thumb and put these climate-conscious gardening strategies into play. Let's make a difference, one garden at a time. By adapting our gardening practices, we can help mitigate the effects of climate change right from our backyards. So, let's roll up our sleeves, plant wisely, and create resilient gardens together. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and strategies. Happy gardening!